Okay, we're here at Bollock Industries in Lafayette, Indiana, a maker of countertops and some other items, including closet systems. And we're going to go on a little tour here. So why don't you go ahead and take us on through?
Okay, this is where our raw materials basically are received and stored. We have our laminate and our sheets of flake board.
Okay.
From here, we move on down. We have our smaller panel saw here in case we need to trim down a board or laminate, also just a standard table saw. From here, comes down, we have our spray board. Just use a basic red contact cement. Easily able to roll the material onto our large tables here that will hold up to a 5x12 board. From here, it goes through the pinch roller. Once it has been rolled, the material comes out onto this other table, which again will accommodate a 5x12 piece of material. From this point, it is rolled down to our CNC machine.
And that appears to be a Northwood.
From this point, it's cut out on the machine. The components to the countertop are then loaded onto racks or carts that we have.
And that's a custom built rack there, right, that you roll around?
Yes.
Okay.
Backsplashes, any cabinet components or closet systems which we cut out, typically 3/4 of an inch thick, we will run through our edge bander right here. So it's the next step off the CNC if it's needed.
Okay.
From here, the cart gets rolled to the department it needs to be going to. For custom laminate, rolled into this basic holding area right here.
Okay.
The jobs are then put over in this work area kiosk, which is strictly for this department only. So if we need to find paperwork, anything, it's right here. Once production is ready to work on it, it's brought into this area. Smaller items can be worked on over here on this workstation with tools and equipment and supplies behind it. Larger countertops are assembled over in this area.
Okay.
And then once the custom lock tops are done, they're basically rolled back up between the two saws and put into the storage area up front. So that way when customers come to pick up countertops, they can go to the office, take care of the paperwork, sign it, and then their tops are right here up close to the office, so they're not out in the production area all that much.
Okay.
Keeps our insurance company happy.
Okay.
Again, we have the same procedure from the CNC. All solid surface material is kept back there. Once it's cut on the CNC, it's directly rolled to this area where the components are assembled. The sink is integrated. On some tops, it goes back onto a cart, taken to the CNC, is reintroduced so as to trim, do a final trim on it, and then the edge profile is routed on by hand, and as we can see here, the finished sanding is done.
Okay. And then ultimately, we end up
solid surface tops go over here on these metal racks. We have a box truck in a bay over there. Typically it's backed in. We are able to just load the tops directly into the back of the truck, and our installers go out to the job and install it.
all right. Good deal. All right. I appreciate that. Thank you.